Good morning, it's Phillip at Château Avensac, and it's Christmas morning. So happy holidays to everybody. We just got up maybe an hour or so ago. Cousin Kelly made a Monte Cristo casserole, which was delicious. If you don't know what that is, look it up. It's super delicious. It's perfect, sweet and savory and brunch morning food. And I am here in the salon. It's finally all decorated, and I thought I'd give you a show. So here I am in the salon. My Christmas tree is finally finished being decorated. Get back a little bit. This is our brown beep Christmas. But even with brown beep Christmas, we've got presents under the tree. I just lit a fire, so we're just getting it going because this is our heat source for Christmas in the salon. And well, there I am. Our little paper Christmas tree forest on the mantle. 2 nights ago, we had a very small soiree here in the salon. Just drinks and some finger sandwiches, and it was really lovely. Lovely. Cousin Kelly and Susie had been decorating the salon to make a little Christmas here this year for us, which has been really beautiful. Ooh, you can hear the cracking of the fire. It is a beautiful day here in Avensac. It's gonna be in the 60s. I think that's in like the mid to high teens in Celsius. And it's quite lovely outside. So wishing you happy holidays from Château Avensac. I look forward to seeing you all again soon. Hi, and happy holidays. It's Phillip at Château Avensac, and it's Christmas morning. That's why I got bedhead. I just got up.